Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody
Breakfast here today. It's a Cuban sandwich. Let's take a look at what we have. Let's get close here. I got some black ham. I got some Swiss. I got some dill pickles. And I have this pulled pork. I just made a video about this, and there's a link below. We've got some bread, and we've got yellow mustard. Cuban sandwich is one of my favorite sandwiches in the world. I had one about 10 years ago in Florida, and I fell in love with it. I'm going to show you how to make this sucker. All right? Let's get going. First thing I'm going to do, we're going to put some mustard on both sides. Now, you want to use the yellow mustard. This is the mustard that works for best for Cubano. Oh, excuse me. Oh, did it again. Apologies to everybody involved. Spread it. Ooh, spread it. Now, let's take that Swiss, boop, boop, bada doop. Center that one. Now we take the ham. Let me put a little more mustard right there, guys. All right, let's put the ham, and the ham. A little more mustard here. Bop. Let me take this stuff. What is this? This is the shredded pork, pulled pork that I made earlier. And again, we have a video on how to make that. Oh my God, look how gorgeous that looks. How's it look so far? Cameraman, I got a cameraman today. What do you think? Very good, I like it. A little more mousstar here. Put the pickles right here. Pickle. Oh my goodness. This is, it's Cubano. Gotta cut this one. Make it fit right there. Believe it or not, a little more mustard. Season that up with some pepper. All right, we're gonna do the flipperoo. All right. Oh, that's big. Press it. There's the Cubano. I'm ready to eat it. No. I'm gonna butter up this side, take it to the stove, and finish this bad boy off. I'll meet you over there. Now here's that Cubano. You're gonna put it down like this and get that sucker sizzling. Now, the key is I'm not gonna butter this side yet so I can press it for a little while. And then we'll flip it. We wanna melt this cheese, so to encourage the melting, we're gonna cover it with this. And I'll see you in about 2 or 3 minutes. Baba! You hear it sizzling? That's the sound you wanna hear. Okay, I got this on medium. Giving it a pretty good press and pressing it. Just pressing it. Sweet babu. And I'm gonna cover it again. See you in about 2 minutes. All right, let's check this out. I'm gonna butter this top side now. Oh yeah. You can hear that sucker sizzling. I wanna take my time. The key, I just wanna melt this Swiss. Oh, that's a lot of butter. Let's take a peek, see how it's looking underneath. Oh, that's looking good. All right. We'll lower the heat just a little, cover it again. Sound like a broken record, I'll see you in a minute. All right, it's been a minute. This guy's ready for a flip. Let's see a really good flip. Oh, I might say that was a perfect flip. And now we're just gonna press. I'm lowering this between low and medium. Can you see how gorgeous that looks? I'm gonna get this bottom to look exactly like this, and this sucker will be ready. In about 2-3 minutes, I will meet you at the counter. All right, look at that sucker. That's a big sandwich, but it's perfectly cooked. Now let's do a sliceroo. Let's do a reveal. Check it out. All right, how's that look? There's the close-up. Big bite coming up. How to make a classic Cuban sandwich. I just showed you with all these fresh ingredients. But I don't care what it looks like, because if it doesn't taste classic, then it's not. I'm scared. Not really. First thing that hits you is the mustard and the cheese. And then that pickle comes in. The cheese is creamy. The pulled pork is gorgeous. Remember, there's a link below on how to make that. And the ham, the crunch. One more bite. This is classic and beautiful. Check them out. I Live Like 365. and subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. All my recipes, not just classic recipes, but recipes about anything about life. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Oh, it smells heavenly. Everything's heavenly with this guy. Here. Oh, that's hot. Oh my. I was talking Cuban, but I don't know how to. That was very classic. Our cameraman's shaking their head. She'd never seen anything like it. I'm leaving them. You're shaking your head at me.